Welcome to our channel. Armed resistance forces attacked the Zikone police station in Kanbalu Township, killing 6 police officers, including junior officials, according to the Do-One People's Defense Force. The clash broke out at around 3 p.m. on Tuesday and lasted only a few minutes. Resistance fighters captured 4 police officers alive, along with 4 police family members, and 3 detainees who were inside the compound at the time of the raid. During the operation, the resistance seized 12 weapons, including 9 G3 rifles, 1 G4 rifle, 1 MA-15 rifle, and a pistol. Buildings inside the police station were also set on fire. A spokesperson for the Do-One PDF said, "We attacked the Zikone police station. 6 officers were killed, 4 were captured, and 12 weapons were seized. The fighting lasted only a few minutes." The raid was carried out under the leadership of the Kanbalu District PDF, in coordination with the Do-One PDF and local units. Reports confirm that the resistance fighters withdrew without any casualties. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.